Memories of our parts, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue and you are shades of gray, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
We're about to step into Chocolate World tour. Kids are already up ahead. They don't even care. They don't even care. They're gone. They're gone already.
Joshy. Here, go with Josh. Get in.
Sorry. Where's Aubree? Aubree, come on.
Isaiah, want me up there? You can. Isaiah, get back there on Joshy.
Aubree! Oh, you can't sit with. Oh, that's all right. Hi. Well, this is fun.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi folks! Welcome to our dairy farm. The Hershey goodness start.
That feels good.
It's the milk we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the dairy farm. You can taste the love.
I'd like to get some of that Coke. Huh?
I need the factory, everybody!
Oh, the baby.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around.
Isaiah, you having
Everyone
fun?
ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod.
Make it hot.
Our cocoa experts experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Look here!
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces from cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us
What?
more.
Oh, there's chocolate. There's your
Hey
chocolate.
everyone, we're rolling on milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste.
Oh man, check this out.
Part of
Look at
milk
this
chocolate is
chocolate.
to make sure
Look at that.
all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Keep on pushing it, dude. We'll go back to the car after that.
Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao become delicious just like adding milk?
Why don't you like your picture taken?
I got 5 minutes, baby.
What?
We
Try to cut it down to like 4 in this.
Horsepower. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of
We're
vanilla.
going back to the car.
This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Huh?
Hershey Kids.
Grind the rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy
There's Reese,
conveyor.
look.
Then
Right there, look, look, look. Oh yeah, right there.
the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate.
Give me one of those right now.
Hey, don't forget Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Kynlee, what do you think? Kynlee.
Alex, that's so sweet.
too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from
A tower of kisses.
So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
You hear me?
Yay! Picture time! Smile! Wow, look at this!
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Hey, look here. Hey, smile.
What do you think about that, Baba? Woohoo!
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer.